Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, if you've got a Google Map embedded on your site, or you're using a Google Map module and you have this pop up, Google's just deprecated their version 2 API keys, so you need to generate a new one. For anybody that needs to know how to do that, it's pretty easy, and I'll show you how. You want to go over to Google, and obviously you're going to want a Google account. It's absolutely free to sign up. I'll put this link below the video, so if you go here, go down to credentials page, just hit the little button there, it'll take you to the credentials page. Now obviously I'll have to blank out any API keys I've got here, but hit the create project on the right hand side here. Give it a name, whatever you want to call it, and hit create. And I'll select the project. We can go up here to create credentials, and there's API key right there. And it's popped up with our API key here. Now if you want to, you can restrict this so only certain places can use it. Hit the restrict and follow the instructions there. But I'm actually going to go ahead and use this one here. So I'm going to select this, Control C to copy. I'm going to go back to my WordPress site here, Divi theme site, and with the Divi theme, if you go down to your dashboard, go down to Divi, to theme options, we can roll down a little bit, and here's Google API key. You can pop your API key in there, go back up to the top, hit save changes. Now if we go to this site and refresh, and there we go, we've now got our map working again. If you have problems setting up your API, there's a workaround. You can do it manually. For instance, let's get rid of this, and what we'll do, instead of using a map module, we'll use actual code module. I'm going to use a regular Divi code module for this. If you go, you can just go over to Google Maps, put in the address that you want to find, or the address you want to display. Get it to the size you want it, or the zoom in amount that you want it here. You can adjust this in the code itself. Then hit the little share button here, and hit the embed a map. Copy the HTML. Go back over to our site, and in the code module we just put there, just put that in there. And you may think, well, it's not filling out the whole page. Go down a little bit with this code. You've got a width and a height. Change the 600 there, or whatever it happens to be on yours, to 100%. 100%. And it'll stretch the whole width. Make sure you don't lop off the inverted commas either side of that. And if you want it deeper, you can change the height right here. Let's make that 650. And there we go. We've got a live Google map. Let's save our changes. And exit the Visual Builder. And there's our live Google map working again fine. There seems to be a lot of confusion at the moment with Google Maps and APIs. So there's two ways of doing it. There's one way of grabbing the API and putting it in your Divi theme. And the second way, which is a manual version, which will work with just about any website, is copy the embed code and just use it as code. And it works perfectly well. So I hope this has helped you today, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.